Okay, so hi everyone. Today again, wait, what I say again? Today I'm gonna be playing monkey tag, monkey bomb tag, and I'm actually like dead, so it's like just I'm a ghost. Literally, I'm a ghost. Is that lava rising up? Let me see. No, it's not. The next round, I'm gonna be in the game. And like I released the video barbecue it. I hope you like the video. I know it's kind of boring, but I do hope you'll like it. And please like and subscribe. I wish I had subscribers. Wait, check my channel. Do I have subscribers? I forgot, because I got views and my videos are starting to like, never mind, I forgot. And my views are starting to like, go up. And I hope you'll enjoy my videos, because I make these videos for you guys. And I hope you'll like it. And please, no hate. There's lava. Holy. Climb up, climb up, climb up. Nobody has. Somebody has the bomb. Who is that? I cannot see. Sorry about the MM2 video when you cannot hear me, because I used my voice chat and it's like a glitch where you cannot hear me. But one of my friend is can hear me because I used voice chat, obviously. And like, this is the lamest video I've ever made. What the? I'm dead, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. In one match in the world. What did I do? Heart. Okay, so I hope please like and subscribe, and please like, no hate. I like, somebody commented on my short and hated and said something hate about me. Another round is starting. Vote for that. No, no rising, bruh. I hate it when like lava is rising. That's like the worst. Good thing I'm not above here. The lava can't catch me. Oh, where I jump? No, no. Just stay here. That's the tallest. So I'm gonna go there to be safe. No! Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm dead. I'm dead. Man. Max update in 6 days. Okay. Case shop. I don't get bananas. I got 95. Not a lot. Somebody got the bomb. And don't fall, please. I'm a ghost, so the lava can't kill me. And I hope you'll enjoy a lot of my videos. And please, like, why do I keep asking for y'all to like and subscribe? I hate myself. I'm just a beggar. I'm just a stupid little beggar. And please, I was not trying to be mean and YouTube, please don't cancel me. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I'm just 8 years old. I just started my channel like 3 days ago. Wait, no. Yeah. 3 days ago. 3 days ago. Finally, no rising lava. Rising lava is like the worst. Wait lang, ma. Sorry about that. I'm Filipino and my mom just called me to eat. I just told her to wait. So this video is gonna be like just 10 minutes long. So I just need to like wait for 4 minutes and we're good to go. And later I'm gonna make a MM2 video and it's part 2. Cause like I like playing MM2. It's like the best game I've ever played, MM2. The worst game that I've ever played is like something like named is the game like Steal a Brain Rot. Man, I hate that game. They're making kids rot their brain. I don't play that game. And I'm at 3rd grade. I just never mind. Like why did Sammy make that game? Even if like he does not want any kid to rot their brain, why did he make that game? So far nobody catched me. Not even the one who got the bomb. And guys, later I'm gonna be playing Hello Neighbor All Acts. I cannot like do a video longer than 15 minutes, so at 3 I'm not gonna do that. What I can do is just do Act 2 and Act 3. Hey, wait, no, Act 2 and Act 1. It's like the only thing I can do because it takes me 5 minutes just to beat Act 1. And now I'm so dead. So dead. Please, somebody come to me. Please, I don't want to die. Don't want to die. Oh. Man, I died. And like that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and please like and subscribe. And I'm Nathan and I'm Nathan P. Velasco and I'm out. Peace.